One thing. You better leave me alone. 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 Leave me alone.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Hi. Can I touch you?
Oh. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Dodge, can you spot a dog's bitch?
Your mom looks like a dog.
I know one thing.